Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can exactly connect Webflow with Intercom. So now if you try to search for Intercom here, as you will be seeing, you cannot find this in the marketplace. So there is no way that you can add it automatically like one app to another, but you would need to actually use a third-party app. So in this case, we would need to use Zapier, which is a very good application to make integrations. Let's go ahead and click on it, click on install application, and then click on this. Of course, you would need an account already, so this is a very basic steps. You simply have to create an account, email, password, etc. So once you're in this area right here, and for those who don't know how to get to it, simply click on create Zaps, and there you go. So once you're in this area, you simply have to choose the trigger, which is going to be Webflow, and wait a little bit. Okay, and then the second action is going to be from Intercom. So let's go ahead and search for it. Enter. And there we go. So now here you have the integration, but it is not fully progressed. You need to first choose a trigger event. For example, I'm going to choose the first one, new comment, and Intercom. So now whenever there is a new comment, which is the trigger, which is the new comment, of course, there will be an action or a consequence, which is going to be behalf of Intercom. So let's choose the action that's going to be made. So whenever a new comment is written, we are going to create an article, for example, or create a conversation, or create that event, or create a ticket. There's many of them. I'm going to go with notes. Then choose the account that you wanted for the Webflow and choose the account that you wanted from Intercom. And once everything is logged in, simply click right here into publish, and you'll be ready to go. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.